Hello and welcome to another Scan and Cut Saturday. This week I'm going to show you how to create a card with a text edge. It's very simple to put together. I will begin by creating a new document. I will add a basic shape, a square. I will also add some text. You can choose any font you like. I duplicate the square by pressing the D key on my keyboard. I am applying some colour so that I can see the shapes clearer on the screen. I'm also removing the outline. Double click to edit the text. Resize the word. From the Edit menu, choose Divide, then group all of the letters. Hold down the Shift key while rotating, and this will keep it constrained to a 45-degree angle. I think I'll change the colour of the word so I can see it better against the square shape. I could try to position this by eye, however, I'm going to use the alignment tools from the Edit menu. Now I'll reduce the square so that it sits on the bottom of the text. Then I'll select both shapes and weld them together. Duplicate the first square again. Give your second square some colour and remove the outline. And then position it as closely as possible to the original shape, preferably leaving no gap. Next, I will align those two shapes together on the middle axis. Now I am moving the third square over the two original shapes and aligning them on the middle axis. Then I will weld all three shapes together. Double click the shape to enter the node editing mode. Select any excess points and delete them. Now, using the Path tool, click once and then hold the Shift key as you move your mouse down, and then double click at the end to set your line in place. I will change the properties of that line so that it is a cutting line and it has a dashed pattern. And now align those both on the vertical and the horizontal axis, and press G to group those two items together. And that is the technique complete. You can now resize it, give it some colour on screen so you can see it better, and of course give it a name and download it. Thank you very much for watching this video today. Before you leave, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe to the channel for notifications of more videos from me, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.